everyone, today we are going to test out the feature in CapCut that uses AI to generate stickers. So open up your CapCut project and head over to the AI generated tab. Now from here, we just have to type in what type of sticker we're looking for. So I'm going to delete what's in there now, and I want to add a sticker of a dog wearing Christmas clothes. You can change what type of style you would like it to be. So in this situation, I want it to look like a cartoon. So I'm going to choose cartoon. And then all you have to do is click generate. You can also click this. I'm gonna copy that. You can also click this little arrow button, and that's going to give you different ideas of stickers that you could create. But in my situation, I want as a very specific one of a dog wearing Christmas clothes. I'm going to click generate, and it does say free right now. I don't know if this will always be free, but it's free today. Generate, and it's going to come up with 4 different AI generated stickers for me to choose from. Perfect. Okay, these are kind of cute. So now I could choose any of these, or if I wanted more options, I could just generate another one. I could just say generate again, and it will generate 4 more. Let's see what it comes up with this time. See if it's any different. Okay, a little bit different. Okay, I like this one with a little green. I'm gonna try it one more time. And snow on the ground. Make it a little bit more specific. Let's see what it does here. Generate. Well, it didn't really do the ground thing. Let me adjust and see what it does if I change it to something like oil painting. Let's see what that changes it to. Generate. Now, I'm not sure how many times I can do this. Sometimes they have limits on AI features, but it looks like it's unlimited at this point. I do have a pro account, so I'm not sure if that's why. Oh, I like that. So I changed the style from a cartoon to an oil painting. Let's see what the other ones do. Stroke. Let's see what stroke looks like. Oh, okay. Interesting style. Let's just do them all. Collage. Generate. Oh, that's more realistic looking. Looks like a very angry dog. If you do want to use one of these for your project, all you would do is click, you can either download it or you can just apply it straight to your project. I'm going to click apply to put this grumpy dog. Aw, he's cute. Okay, let's check out the other styles. We'll do 3D next. Okay, a little animated look here. Okay, I think we only have 2 more, Pixel and Crayon. So let's do Pixel. Okay, a little pixelated characters. And then the last one, I just want to run through them all so you can see them all. The Crayon filter, the Crayon style. Let's see what this one looks like. Alright, kind of similar to the first few. So honestly, this is pretty cool. If you're looking for a specific sticker that you don't find in the library, you can come here and have AI generate one for you. And then you just apply it to your project by clicking apply or download, and you can save it to your computer. But if you just want to put it into your project, you click the blue button and it drops it down into your timeline. So now I have 2 AI generated dogs with silly little mouths. Pretty cool feature. Feel free to like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more.